Do you like to earn money with Raspberry Pi? There are many methods, but running a Bitcoin Lightning node can be extremely profitable. I am going to show how it is done and also discuss the theory behind it so that you know it is genuine. Welcome back to my channel, and please do hit the subscriber button. If you wait till the end of the videos, you can get some pro tips which can make you richer. Bitcoin is slow and expensive for small payments like coffee. The Lightning Network fixes this by creating instant, cheap tunnels. Hence, you act as a middleman. When people send Bitcoin through your channels, you earn tiny fees, like a toll road. This is the concept of the Bitcoin Lightning node, and you can start even with a $600 investment. When there are more transactions, there will be more fees. Typically, for a small-scale operation, you can earn about $10 to $50 a month, and for a larger operation, you can even earn more than $500. Let's get started with the actual work. The steps are mentioned in the description, and I will run you through some of the command line screen footage as well. You need a Raspberry Pi 4 or 5 with 8 gigabytes memory and a MicroSD card and a 500 gigabyte SSD. After the initial setup for the Raspberry Pi is done, you need to follow the following steps. First, install the Bitcoin Core. Next, install the Lightning node, or the LND, or Lightning Network Daemon. Set up the wallet and funding. Next, connect peers and open channels. For this exercise, please use a website like 1ml.com. And with that, you can start earning fees. Few things to note here. The sync-up process for Bitcoin Network will take about 7 days, and Lightning Network syncing will take about 2 hours. Also, it is important that you need to have a small BTC balance in your wallet for you to start earning. Typically, 0.01 BTC to take it $105 will be enough. When configuring the Lightning Network, the node name and the public IP must be provided.
3 pro tricks. Channel balancing. Keep 50-50 inbound-outbound liquidity. Fee strategy. Start with 1 SAT fee to attract traffic. Monitoring. Use ThunderHub to track earnings. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I will bring more Raspberry Pi related videos.